thousands of girls have been waiting for many days, a month, for you to come here. So what's it like to be here at last?
What's it like to be here? Oh, it's great. I love, getting to every country and every place I go to is always amazing.
Great. We were talking to some of your very devoted Danish fans, been fans since 2007, I think.
Nice.
And they say, even though they love you extremely much, they say maybe it was a little more fun in the beginning because they didn't need to share you with all those millions of other fans. What's it for you? Was it a little more fun in the beginning when everything was smaller?
No. What do you mean? Like, was it fun when I didn't have a lot of fans? No, it's definitely better with more fans. Yeah.
But is it you're working very hard to stay kind of online with your fans, and it must get harder and harder to be online with millions.
No, it's not. I mean, it's great because I'm able to, it's not. I can follow people every day, and I'm not going to ever run out of buttons to click because there's just so many fans that are so supportive of me. So I love it. I love being able to interact with them and be, one-on-one, kind of close with them. So that's one of my favorite parts about the job.
Tell me about the beginning. I read that it wasn't really to get other, wasn't they?
No. I uploaded the videos, and so my mom helped me upload them, and we were putting them on for my family to see, and not really to be famous. So that's really, it wasn't. I didn't really mean for this to happen. So it's crazy.
It's a little bit crazy, isn't it? Yeah. But you're here, and it's become. Yesterday you were writing on Twitter, "I'm in the middle of nowhere." Is it that bad?
Is what that bad?
Being here in the middle of Jutland, this part of Denmark.
No, I wasn't here. I was an hour away from here. So it was really in the middle of nowhere. We were staying at a place that was it used to be like a mental institution. So it was kind of creepy and stuff.
Okay.